Vanakkam friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the forecast of Nifty for next week, which is the last week of June series. It's a 5-week series. During the beginning of the series itself, I have informed you saying that 5-week series will be always interesting. Why? Because we will have very big amount of volatility. That's how it has played till now. And before even going into our analysis, I would like to place few requests for you people. First thing is the newcomers, whoever is seeing this video for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and then click on the bell icon next to it so that you will get the notifications on time whenever we post a video. Second thing, I will add all the Telegram channel links into the description of this particular video. If you are not part of our Telegram channel, please do join our channel. And there is one exclusive channel by name Queries, where we will try to address our queries in between market hours or even after market hours, because staying online in YouTube always is not possible. But Telegram we can be online. That is the stuff. You can make utilize of it. Join our queries group as well, and you can raise queries about your personal positions too. I will be able to clarify it with the help of charts, not vague comments. And then the third thing, if you feel our video is useful and it will help your friends and colleagues, whoever is interested in markets, I request you people to share our link to the people whoever is interested in markets. Let them also get benefited, because we are one among the very few people who share the forecast of upcoming week, during the previous week's weekend itself. Many of them give levels, but they don't give deep research kind of stuff. But we provide deep research kind of stuff. One thing is for sure, if you keep on watching our videos for a couple of months or years, I can definitely assure you, you too will be getting interested and attracted by charts, and you will also gain enormous knowledge about reading charts. That's it about the requests. Now we will move into the forecast for next week. During Friday morning itself, immediately after posting my opening view, we have mentioned it crystal clear, saying that if Nifty is not breaking 15,150 today, we feel that Nifty has made a bottom and we will raise towards 16,800 in next few days or few weeks, like that we have mentioned. So that has been mentioned when Nifty was at 15,000 or 15,500 near levels, 15,550 levels. Many of them had doubt. Couple of them raised a query as well to me. Sir, how come you are saying that much confident? See, that's how chart says. Okay, I am not saying anything on my own. Chart says that. Okay, now we will see the charts, how it may progress in coming days, provided if any negative news doesn't comes. So for this week, the chart will be little bit complicated because of plenty of lines and indicators over here. This is my default setup, and if I am analyzing through this setup, the failure is maybe 10%. The remaining 90% of the times I succeed. So that is the reason I have gone with this kind of this setup. Let me explain what are all the things here first, and then speak about the levels. First thing, we have drawn the Bollinger Band. The middle line of the Bollinger Band, which is dark in black, that is 20 moving average. And then this maroon line, 200 moving average. Pink line, 100 moving average. Sky blue line, 50 moving average. And then this dark blue line is 10 moving average. And then I have marked a couple of supports and resistances over here. Now in addition to this, I have added stochastic, MACD and RSI, which are the supplementary indicators which I look upon barring the charts. So now the first thing is stochastic has gone from oversold levels. It was at 8 at this point when we posted our last week's forecast. It was at 8. We have clearly said that we are in extremely oversold zone, and immediate dead cat bounce is expected at least till the tune of 15,888. That was our comment during last week. On Wednesday we cracked a bit, but barring that we have done a stunning move, and we have already almost reached 15,749. Remember, 2 weeks before also I have mentioned, I mean on Thursday and Friday, I have clearly mentioned Nifty 15,600 to 15,700 is a danger zone. It is a make or break zone. Only above this level we can go convincingly long, or else we will have a small sell of kind of stuff. That was happened. See over here on Tuesday, we made a high of 707 and then dropped back, took support at 380 odd levels, 360 odd levels again, and then climbed back, reached 749. Our target given was 888. When was the target given? It was given when Nifty closed at 15,293. So we have done already nearly 450 points from last week's close, I'm saying. Okay. Now stochastic has climbed above 20 on both lines, which is a good signal. So when it climbs above 20, majority of the times, 90% of the times, it must touch at least 50 zones. What is 50? This particular line where I have placed the cursor will be the 50. So if that is going to happen, we are going to climb higher. First point for convincing analysis on bulls. Then the MACD. He has been already oversold last week. First candle has formed on green side, and then now it has formed completely. Now for next week, it will be MACD will be going above zero. The histogram which is here will be forming above zero line, which is a good setup again. When it is going above zero, there will be at least next 5 consecutive candles will be on the above zero side. You can see in the previous instances also. See over here, it has gone above zero and traded continuously for 7 days. Over here, it has traded for 6 days. Over here, it has traded for 7 days again. Likewise, whenever it goes above zero, it will minimum trade for 5 continuous days. So in that case, there is a less possibility of fall again. And then on the third thing, RSI, we were at 22 last week. From 22 to 30 odd levels, 33 odd levels, 30 odd levels. When it moved, we have mentioned in our opening note saying that I am seeing a divergence in positive divergence in Nifty, where any kind of fall will be bought immediately. That is what happened completely during last week. So now we are above 43. On Monday, this will climb above 50 on Monday's close. Most probably, if Monday's close is like somewhere around 15,800 kind of stuff, we will definitely close over. The RSI will go above 50. Once again, RSI above 50 is a good sign for bulls. So all the supplementary indicators are saying us bulls will be back next week. That is the conclusion over here. Now I have connected this bottom which we have made in March and then the current bottom which we have done during last week, the lowest point of those two things, and I have drawn a trend line. I have marked the lows which we have done last week, that is 15,183, and then the low which we have done this week, that is not the low which we have done, the low which we have done in last 4 days, ignoring the Monday, because last week's low and Monday's low is almost the same. So I have ignored that and marked the remaining 4 days lowest low. So these two areas becomes the crucial support zones. Until we are not going below 15,380, the first support, we don't expect that market is going to fall. That is one stuff. Now on the higher side, what we are expecting, this support zone, the one which we have marked earlier, the resistance zone, when it fell from the highs, it was the support zone, and when it bounces from the lows, this will be the resistance zone which we have mentioned. That resistance zone has been crossed and closed exactly on that resistance. Now we all might have seen what has SGX done yesterday. We are up 158 points, Singapore Nifty, and Nasdaq closed almost at the highest point of the day. Look at the high and the close. It's just 6 points below the day's high. As per our basic logic and thumb rule, whenever we close near day's high, there should be a follow-up. That is applicable for our markets. We are not sure how Nasdaq is going to react for it. So if our logic works over there in Nasdaq also, then Nasdaq futures might open in green on Monday by 6 a.m. If that is going to be the scenario, we will have the similar kind of opening or even better kind of opening in in our markets on Monday at 9 a.m. Now there comes the resistance level, immediate resistance. What is the 15,888, which we have been mentioning last 3 days continuously. 15,888 will be the resistance zone, immediate resistance. So from here, if you take, it will be 189 points from Friday's close. We will also see the high of SGX Nifty, that is 15,901. This will become the resistance, crucial resistance to break. Even if we break 15,888, this one will become a crucial resistance to break. If we are breaking this level 15,901 and staying about that level for minimum 15 minutes, Nifty will definitely fill this gap area which was created 2 weeks back post the Fed meet policy, I guess. Okay, no, Fed meet policy happened over here, but this was due to some other instance. Okay, this gap area could be filled, and we, generally speaking, people will say that bulls, bears will be strong than bulls. All this kind of stuff everybody will say. I also say that many times, but nowadays bulls are equally strong as bears. So if this particular area is getting taken out and the SGX Nifty of 15,901 is taken out, and we are staying above that particular level for minimum 15 minutes, the next bus stop is 16,180 levels. Now the question will be for everyone. Question for everyone will be how to trade based on this particular thing. The moment I throw a message in the morning 6:40 a.m. on Friday, I was ready to take a call and suggest a call, and I have suggested you people the call as well. 16,000 call as hero or zero at 40 rupees. Remember, yesterday I have suggested in our Telegram channel and for our premium members as well. For premium members, I have given targets, but for you people, I have not given target. That is the only line I draw between you and them. Okay, we have taken it at 40. Just imagine if Monday SGX opens right at 15,800, 850. Our markets opens in line with SGX, and we open at 15,850. Straight away, this 16,000 call will double for you. We have taken a risk and taken a hero or zero kind of call with 2,000 rupees risk on Friday itself. Whoever missed to take it, you too will get an opportunity. How? That is, once after hitting 15,888 and 901, if we are not sustaining above 901, if we are drifting from there, definitely we will come and test 15,749. That is yesterday's high. So if whenever we are coming and testing that 15,749, you may take a long trade in 15,900 call, not 16,000 call. Take a long in 15,900 call. This is for people who have missed, not for the people who have already taken 16,000 call, because you will be straight away in profits when it opens on Monday. Whoever missed may take it, and then that too you should exit when you are happy with 40% or 50% profits. That is my condition. So we have done deep analysis today on Nifty. We'll try to post my analysis on Bank Nifty if possible, because I have been seeing the number of views is very less when compared to Nifty views. So I feel that people are liking only my Nifty views, not the Bank Nifty views. So that is the reason I have stopped posting Bank Nifty views from last week. If people are willing, I will try to post it again. Let me take a chance. Maybe by end of the day, I will post my Bank Nifty analysis video. If we are getting similar views like Nifty, we will post it, or else I will think, I assume that people are not interested in Bank Nifty views, and I will stop posting. Remember the 3 requests which I have made to you before even starting our analysis. Please play with the levels accordingly. Don't jump in on Monday when it opens 150 points and catch a call and then come and ask me in queries group, sir, I have bought this one, but unfortunately it has gone down. What I need to do? You will not get any response from my side, because I have spoon feeded you with the analysis, with the charts, with supplementary indicators. So please don't do that mistake. Have a good day, friends. See you all in the next video. Bye for now.